This video tutorial I will explain get most significant bits method of UID class and get least significant bits method of UID class. Here I have defined a class UID demo. Here I am constructing the UID by passing most significant bits and least significant bits. Then I am calling get most significant bits method of UID object, and this method returns most significant bits. Then I am calling get least significant bits method of UID object. This method returns least significant bits. I am running this program, and here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.